My name is Diane Hunter, and I am from Belmont County, Ohio. We had 3 projects that Paradise Energy did. The first was the cabin, the second is our home, and the third was our commercial property in St. Clair's home. The cabin actually came first, and we looked at that and felt that everything we do out of the cabin is really a legacy. So we tried to think of what are we going to do to leave for the kids. So we think of, well, energy efficiency was of course one of the priorities. So we thought, well, this way we won't leave them with astronomical bills to pay, and for us right now too. On the commercial property, we began with $1,800 electric bills, and now they're $400. We thought with a building that could be a good selling point also. These were the bills previously, paying well over $1,000 a month compared to now. So when we got to this house, which is a 5,000 square foot house, we thought, what are we going to do? All the appliances are energy efficient. The lighting is, so we thought, well, we'll do the solar, and actually worked in our favor. Our bill last month was $12. So for a 5,000 square foot house, we were very happy with that bill. Honestly, we have a lot of people asking us about it, and they see solar, and you can see our house from the highway, and people have actually come and found our house and stopped and asked us about the solar. We did look at a few other companies, and we ended up going with Paradise because the knowledge that Sheldon's had, and he was very upfront and honest. Didn't really push us too hard, just said, here are the facts, this is what we can do. He made it easy for us to go ahead and get all these installed, and really the honesty of dealing with the company. So we felt comfortable, we felt secure, and there was a good knowledge base there. I will tell you that we're really particular people, and we have recommended Paradise to our son. So we wouldn't have done that if we were unhappy, nor would we have three of our places that have the solar.